Hello everyone, I am Kanak Joshi. Welcome to this lecture in which we are going to see how to determine the alkalinity of water by titration method. So, this titration can be divided into two parts. First one, that is phenolphthalein endpoint. It is also called as capital P. And other part is methyl orange endpoint, that is called capital M. So, let's do practical. So, this is titration method. In this experiment, we are estimating amount of alkalinity causing substance present in water sample by simple acid-base titration method. So, it is quantitative method and acid-base titration. So, for this titration, what we actually require are water sample, 0.1 normal HCl solution, phenolphthalein indicator, methyl orange indicator. We are using two indicators. The apparatus we are going to use, that is beaker, conical flask, pipette and burette. So whatever the HCl solution is there, we have to take in burette and ensure that you have adjusted zero mark by removing the bubble. We have to take 20 ml water sample by pipette. Because pipette is only of 10 ml, you have to take it for 2 times. It means it becomes 20 ml water sample. Then in that water sample, we have to add phenolphthalein indicator. It becomes pink in color because the water contains some basic ions that may be hydroxide ions, carbonate or bicarbonate ions. So whatever this pink color solution is, we have to titrate this by adding acid drop by drop from burette. That pink color solution, you are going to titrate it with HCl solution. Now the color changed because we reached the neutralization point, so you have to stop the titration and whatever the reading is there, that you have to know. So what reactions actually takes place here? Phenolphthalein indicator and water, when they mix together, their neutralization takes place and here the pink color becomes colorless. So how that pink color disappears? Because hydroxide and carbonate ions are neutralized and get converted into its H plus ions, means hydroxide ions converted into water and carbonate ion converted into bicarbonate. So whatever that reading is there, you have to note down it as first endpoint of titration, that is also called phenolphthalein endpoint. To that colorless solution, you have to add 2 to 3 drops of methyl orange indicator. Now when you add methyl orange indicator in this solution, because some basic ions are present in that water, it becomes yellow. So whatever that yellow color solution is there, you have to titrate it again by continuing the titration from the last time that we left there. Continue the titration by adding HCl drop by drop from burette again. Then again color changed, so you have to stop the titration because yellow color disappeared, it becomes red. So what reaction takes place? Water plus methyl orange indicator, neutralization takes place and the color becomes yellow to red. So whatever that red color solution is obtained in that conical flask, we have to note down the burette reading as x2 ml. This is second endpoint, that is methyl orange endpoint. Now titration is completed. So thank you and save water.